Your parents offer to loan you the money to buy a $600 sound system. You give them $125 as a down payment and agree to make monthly payments of $25 until you've repaid the loan. How long does it take you to repay the loan? Many students have difficulty putting a real situation into an algebraic equation because they don't have a good strategy for doing that. Here's one thing that you could do. Instead of going right to the algebra, start with using concrete examples with real numbers. For example, how much do you pay after 1 month? Let's see. I know I have to pay my parents the $125 as a down payment, and after 1 month, I must pay them $25. But that $25 really comes from 1 month times $25. That gives me the $125 plus the $25 times 1 month. What about after 2 months? You still pay $125 plus this time you pay $25 times 2 months. Notice that I have not simplified this expression. I want to keep it all unsimplified because that will help me when I want to know how much I will pay after n months. This is where the algebra is going to come in, but now I have shown how easy it is to find the total for each month. I'm now ready to find out how much you have to pay after n months. You still have to pay the $125 down payment, and you still have to pay the $25 each month, but it's no longer 1 or 2 months, but for n months. So instead of writing 1 or 2 or 3 for the months, you write n. So now you have $125 plus the $25 times n months. We now have the expression that shows how much you will pay after n months, but we still need to find out how long it will take to pay off the whole $600. In other words, we have to find out when the money in that expression is equal to the whole cost of $600. So let's just set it equal to that $600. And there we have it, a two-step equation that will help us find the answer to the question. 125 plus 25n equals 600. Now let's solve that two-step equation. How is n not by itself? It has 125 being added to it and 25 being multiplied by it. Using reverse order of operations when we solve, we get rid of the addition and subtraction first. 125 is being added to the n, so we subtract it from both sides. Subtracting 125 from the left side of the equation leaves us with 25n, and subtracting 125 from the 600 on the right side leaves us with 475. Now how is n not by itself? It is being multiplied by 25. So then I need to do the opposite and divide both sides by 25. 25n divided by 25 leaves just n, which is what we wanted to do, and dividing the 475 on the right side of the equation by 25 leaves 19. And there we have it. It will take 19 months to pay back your parents. Let's just check to make sure we got it right by plugging the answer 19 back into the original equation. 125 plus 25 times 19. 25 times 19 is 475. Then add that to the 125 and I get 600. Yes, it checks out. It takes 19 months to pay back your parents.